In this video, we're diving deep into the legend that defined American muscle, the Ford Mustang. From the affordable and fun EcoBoost to the mighty Mustang GT to the track-focused Dark Horse and even the exotic new Mustang GTD, today we'll explore every single Mustang model currently available. We'll break down their performance, design, features, pricing, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or just curious about the latest Mustang EcoBoost, this isn't just the entry-level Mustang, it's a statement. Powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged inline Ford, the EcoBoost delivers 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to rocket you from 0 to 60 in just around 5 seconds. And thanks to its lighter weight compared to the V8, it feels nimble, sharp, and more responsive on twisty roads. Pair it with the 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts, or stick with the 6-speed manual for that raw, old-school driving connection. And with available performance packages, you can upgrade to larger brakes, stiffer suspension, and sticky summer tires, transforming the EcoBoost into a true corner-carving weapon. Inside, it's all about blending modern comfort with iconic style. Digital gauges, customizable drive modes, and driver-focused ergonomics remind you that this Mustang isn't just about brute force. It's about giving the driver ultimate control. The Mustang EcoBoost proves you don't need a massive V8 to feel the thrill. It's efficient, affordable, and yet still carries the soul of the Mustang. Now we come to something truly extraordinary in the Mustang GTD. This isn't just another Mustang. This is Ford's attempt to create a street-legal supercar wearing the Mustang badge. Inspired by the GT3 race car, the Mustang GTD takes the Mustang to a level never seen before. Under the hood is a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 expected to deliver over 800 horsepower. That's more power than a Lamborghini horsepower. More than a Ferrari. And on par with the Dodge Challenger Demon. But the GTD isn't just about horsepower. It features a transaxle for near-perfect weight distribution, a carbon fiber drive shaft, carbon fiber body, panels, active aerodynamics, and racing-derived suspension technology. This car is built to compete with the best Europe has to offer, including Porsche 911, GT3 RS, and Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. The interior is stripped down for performance but still offers premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and Recaro. Racing seats. Production will be extremely limited, and pricing starts around $300,000. Next up, we move to the heart and soul of the Mustang family, the Mustang GT. This is the model that truly defines the Mustang's identity, thanks to its legendary 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. In the latest generation, this V8 produces 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque with an optional performance exhaust pushing output up to 486 horsepower. The GT rockets from 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds, delivering the classic V8 rumble that enthusiasts crave. You can get it with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic, keeping both purists and modern drivers happy. Visually, the GT sets itself apart with larger wheels, quad exhaust tips, more aggressive styling, cues, and GT badging. Inside, it carries the same tech as the EcoBoost but adds more premium touches and performance-focused features. Pricing starts at around $42,000, making it one of the most affordable V8 sports cars on the market today. When you think of a Mustang, this is the one most people picture. Raw, loud, unapologetic, and endlessly exciting. Mustang Dark Horse. Drivers who demand even more performance. Ford introduced an all-new model for this generation, the Mustang Dark Horse. Think of it as the most hardcore Mustang you can buy without stepping into a Shelby. The Dark Horse is powered by a special version of the 5.0-liter Coyote V8, tuned to produce 500 horsepower. It comes standard with a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, a gearbox beloved by enthusiasts, or an optional 10-speed automatic. But the Dark Horse isn't just about power. It's about handling and track capability. It features stiffer suspension, upgraded brakes from Brembo, Magna Ride adaptive dampers, an upgraded cooling system, and unique aerodynamic tweaks. Ford even offers optional performance packages, including carbon fiber, wheels, racing seats, and track-focused tires. Visually, the Dark Horse stands out with its unique badging, darkened headlamps, aggressive spoilers, and exclusive colors like blue ember metallic, starting at around $60,000. The Dark Horse is the Mustang for people who want a car that can dominate both the road and the track. It's a spiritual successor to the Boss 302. Beyond the main lineup, Ford often offers special editions and appearance packages for the Mustang. These include the Mustang California Special Ice White Edition and Night Pony package. While these don't change performance, they give owners more ways to personalize their Mustangs with unique styling and details. Ford also continues to offer performance packages for EcoBoost and GT models, adding features like limited slip differentials, larger brakes, and upgraded suspension for buyers who want more capability without stepping up to a Dark Horse.
So, there you have it, every Mustang model you can buy today. From the turbocharged EcoBoost to the mighty GT, the track-ready Dark Horse, and the jaw-dropping GTD. Each one carries the spirit of freedom, performance, and rebellion that has defined the Mustang for 6 decades. Which one is your favorite? Would you go for the accessible fun of the EcoBoost, classic thunder of the GT, the hardcore Dark Horse, or the exotic GTD? Let me know in the comments below.